Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to add control center on iPhone. He was not showing on lock screen, so how to fix this issue. So any iPhone users while reported and this issue on iPhone. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So how to fix this issue? So you have open the setting and then you have scroll up. Then you have click on touch ID and passcode. So then you have click here and enter a iPhone passcode, and then you have scroll up. Then you have seen in allow access when locked. So then you have seen your iPhone control center. He was you have must be turn on. He is a turn off then while not showing control center on your iPhone. When he is turned on, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working control center. When he is turned off, then he is not showing on your iPhone. So you have open the lock screen. So then you have he is not open on your iPhone control center. So then is not lock screen. So then lock time. So iPhone control center is not opening. So then you have open the again. So you have touch ID and then you have turn on control center. So then you have seen my iPhone is lock screen while time. So then control center automatic open. So then you have is open on lock screen time. So then you have seen my iPhone. So then how to add controls on iPhone? So then you have open the settings and control center. Then you have included apps. Then you have seen your iPhone more controls. So then you have plus icon and add control center on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.